All right, we're starting off this notes with a warm-up. So given y equals negative 8x plus 3, identify the slope of another line that's parallel to this first line. So parallel to this. All right, so the first slope is m1 is equal to negative 8. For a parallel line, I know the slope will have to be the same. And for a perpendicular line, so let's find m1 again, negative 8. For m2, a perpendicular line will be opposite, so opposite sign, so positive, and reciprocal. So instead of 8 over 1, it's going to be 1 over 8. All right, go ahead and do your second warm-up, please. I'm going to leave that blank for you. All right, find the equation of a line perpendicular to y equals 2 over 5x minus 10 that passes through 12, 6. So they're giving us the line of the first one. They want us to write the equation of a second line, but for the second line, they only give us the point. That means we have a lot of work to do. So let's start off with number 1, writing the equation of the first line. So y1 is equal to 2 over 5x minus 10. So m1, the slope of the first line is 2 over 5. m2, when it's perpendicular, the slope will be opposite reciprocal. So from positive 2 over 5 becomes negative 5 over 2. All right, that's step 1, is to find m2. Step 2 is to write the equation. For you to write the equation, you need to use y equals mx plus b. Right, a little algebra throwback. That means that we're going to use the x and the y from our point, 12, 6. And I'll label, because this part kind of gets a little confusing. So y is 6. So this y is right here, is 6. 6 equals the m that we got from before, this new m, negative 5 over 2. And then the x is here, which is going to be here, which is going to be 12. Make sure you use parentheses, plus b. Now we can simplify and solve for b. 6 equals, we're going to multiply negative 5 times 12 is negative 60. Negative 60 over 2 plus b. Negative 60 over 2 becomes negative 30 plus b. And b is going to be equal to 36. So you have your m, you have your b. Your final answer will be y equals mx plus b. Plug in your m, negative 5 over 2. X, plug in your b, plus 36. All right, the last one real quick before the bell rings on my end was the equation of the line perpendicular to this and passes through 9, 2. So we'll go through the same format. I'll help you out. y1 is equal to 2 over, that's the wrong equation. 3 over 4x minus 8. Let's find m1. m1 is 3 over 4. m2 will be, I'll leave that to you. Once you have m2, we're going to use it on the next piece. Part 2 means that we're going to use y equals mx plus b. And we're going to use the point 9, 2. Right? And this becomes 2 is equal to whatever that m value is, times x, which is 9, plus b. At this point, you should be able to solve, simplify, and get b is equal to an answer. And then you're going to plug it back into y equals mx plus b. So y equals blank, x, and then whatever that other blank is. I don't know. All right, and then do that last you do, and then maybe get it checked, or I'll check it with you when I come back from the weekend. All right, go ahead and try this, and then do your IXLs. You guys should have a couple of problems for practice. Thank you.